Question 2. Figure 1 shows part of the curve C with the equation y equals. Okay. Use the curve intersects the x-axis at x equals -1 and x equals 4. Okay. The region R shows. The region R shown shaded in figure 1 is bounded by C and the x-axis. Use calculus to find the exact area of R. Okay. Okay, so let's write a curve equation. Okay, um, so y equals 1 plus x bracket f4 minus x. So the first step would be to expand this bracket. So what I would do is, okay, so 1 plus x, okay, 4 minus x. So I would expand this, which is equal to, so we have expanded our bracket. Y is equal to minus x squared, so exactly minus x squared plus 3x plus 4. So now what we do is we would integrate this equation. So we would integrate this equation. So let's actually continue on the next page. Plus 4. So what happens is, so integrating y is equal to integrating, but this time we have to use the limits. That is um that is we have to use the limits -1 and 4, because this is the part of the graph where it is bounded by the x-axis. So you see this shaded region R is between -1 and 4. So you would use the limits 4 and -1. So when you go back down, you would integrate integration of y with the limits 4 and 1 is equal to integrating 4 and -1, sorry. So 4 and -1, minus x squared plus 3x plus 4. Now we use square brackets. So
you are good, and your love endures today.
So if you didn't know the rule, it is add 1 to the original power and then divided by the new power. And then you add the limits 4 and 1, sorry, -1. 4 and -1. That is equal to minus x cubed over a third plus 3 over 2x squared plus 4x, and then 4 and -1. Okay, close the square brackets. So then what you would do is, then you would solve this equation. So then this can be written as
Something in you.
So now we have got the answer. Let me just check the units. Check the units. They have not specified any units, but I would highly recommend everyone to write units squared, just in case if sometimes some examiners are specific. So I would just highly recommend everyone to write your answer, that is 125/6 units squared. So that's the answer.